أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed and you are watching Learn Quran with Tajweed series. Inshallah, in this class we are going to start Surah Al-Shirah Makkiyah. So before starting this surah, if you didn't subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes English, so please subscribe it and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all the new videos. Now we start. Suratul Inshirahi Makkiyah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alam nashrah. Alam nashrah. Laka sadrak. Laka sadrak. Alam. So the first is Hamza. We read A sound. Lam. After the Mim Sakin, the next letter is Noon, which is not Mim or not Ba or not Alif. That's why if after the Mim Sakin, instead of Mim, Ba or Alif, any other letter come, then we make Izhar Shafawi there. So that's why we make the clear sound of Mim here as we say Alam Nash. Okay. And on the Sheen we make Hams quality like the continuation of our breath, and another quality which is called Tafashi, like we spread the Sheen sound into our mouth as we say Nash. Nash. Ra we read in heavy sound due to Fatha sign on it, and on the Ha again we make Hams quality like the continuation of our breath when we read it. So listen carefully. So we say Nashrah. Rah. This is the continuation of our breath, and the quality is called Hams quality. So we say again Alam nashrah. Alam nashrah. Laka. We do not long any letter here, and this kaf we read in light sound. Sadrak. Sad we read in heavy sound due to isti'la letter. On the dal we make qalqala, which is the weak qalqala, and qalqala letter is coming in the middle of the word. That's why there are 5 qalqala letters. So we say swad. Swad. Ra we read in heavy sound. On the kaf we read light sound. So when we stop here, so on this kaf we say shidda quality and hams quality as well, as we say sadrak. The first when we connect ra with the kaf, so this shidda quality comes. Shidda means shiddat. In shidda we discontinue our sound as we say rak. This is the discontinuing the sound, and when we release this sound, the hams quality comes as we say swadrak. Swadrak. Okay, now we say all together. Alam nashrah laka sadrak. Alam nashrah laka sadrak. ووضعنا عنك وزرك ووضعنا. We do not long any letter here. Dad we read in heavy sound, Ain we read softly, Noon we long due to Alif Madda. So we say ووضعنا عنك. On this Noon we hide the sound of Noon because due to Ikhfa, after the Noon Sakin the next letter is Kaf. That's why we make Ikhfa sound and we long one Alif as we say عنك وزرك. So this Ra we read in hard sound, Ra we read in heavy sound, and on the Kaf again we make Shiddat and Hams quality. So then we say Wizrak. Rak. So we say all together وَوَضَعْنَا عَنْكَ وِزْرَكَ وَوَضَعْنَا عَنْكَ وِزْرَكَ. And now you can see also the stop signs here. When circle comes, you have to stop there. And when lam alif comes on the stop place, like on the circle, it's optional place for you. If you would like to continue, you can continue. Otherwise, if you want to stop, so you can stop as well. If we stop, so we say wizrak. Otherwise, if we want to continue, so we say wizraka alladhi. Then kaf we connect with the lam directly. Understand? But right now we are stopping here and then we are continuing on this word. You can see here, but when we start this word, so we put a fatha sign on the alif for connecting. Okay, because we are stopping on the wizrak, and then when we start on this place, so we say Allah, alladhi, right? That's why we put a fatha sign on the alif from ourselves. As we say alladhi, الذي أنقض ظهرك الذي. So Hamza we connect with the lam. Allah, the zal we read in soft sound, and there is ya madda. So and also the madda letter has a mad sign. You can see after the madda letter, like ya madda, the next letter is Hamza, which is coming on the next line, in the beginning of the next word. So we say madde munfasil here. So we long here as it is madde munfasil. So we say alladhi anqadha. So we long 3 to 4 alif, as we say again alladhi anqadha. On the noon we make ikhfa. After the noon sakin, the next letter is qaf, which is from ikhfa letters. So we say ikhfa sound, we hide the sound of noon. Qaf we read in heavy sound, and dad as well. So we say again anqadha alladhi anqadha dhahrak. Dha we read also in heavy sound. On the ha we make again hams quality, like the continuation of our breath. And as we say dha, look, the breath is continuing dha. And on the ra we read heavy sound. Again on the kaf we stop and we make shidda and hams quality also. So we say dhahrak. Now we say all together alladhi anqadha dhahrak الذي أنقض ظهرك ورفعنا لك ذكرك ورفعنا. Ra we read in heavy sound. On the ain we make softly, like we say ain sound from the middle of the throat. Noon we long due to alif madda. So we say وَرَفَعْنَا لَكَ ذِكْرَكَ. So we do not long any letter here. Laka ذِكْرَكَ. Zal we read in soft sound. On the kaf again shidda and hams quality. Zik, this is shidda quality, and when we release the sound, like hams quality will come, like the continuation of our breath. Zik. Similarly on the last kaf and ra we read in heavy sound, and on this kaf also we make the same qualities. So we say dhikrak ورفعنا لك ذكرك فإن مع العسر يسرا فإن. On the noon we make gunna, as there is shadda sign on the noon. فإن we long one alif. مع العسر ain we connect with the lam, and we say from the middle of the throat. Ma'al usri. On the scene we make again hams quality, continuation of our breath, us. And also the quality of safir, the whistling sound, Ma'al usri. Ra we read in light sound due to kasra under the ra. So we say Ma'al usri yusra. On the scene again we make hums quality, and on the ra we read heavy sound. But when we stop, so we read one fatha here and one fatha we skip then. So we say yusra, yusra. Fa inna ma'al usri yusra. Fa inna ma'al usri yusra. Inna ma'al usri yusra. Inna ma'al usri yusra. And here is the same ayat with the same rules. And the next is فَإِذَا فَرَغْتَ فَإِذَا فَرَغْتَ فَانصَبْ فَانصَبْ. فَإِذَا Zal we long due to alif madda. فَإِذَا فَرَغْتَ. Ra and ghain we read in heavy sound. فَرَغْتَ. And on the ghain we continue our sound. That's why on this ghain the rakhawa quality comes. So make sure do not read qalqala. So we say faraghta. We cannot say faragh. Faraghta. That is wrong. Okay. So you have to make the heavy sound and the continuation of your sound, as it is called rakhawa quality. Rikhwa. So we say faraghta. Faraghta. Fasab. On the noon we make ikhfa. After the noon sakin, the next letter is sad. That's why we make ikhfa sound here. We hide the sound of noon into our nose, as we say fasab. The sad we read in heavy sound. On the ba we make qalqala, which is the strong qalqala here. So as we say fasab. Swab. فَإِذَا فَرَغْتَ فَانصَبْ فَإِذَا فَرَغْتَ فَانصَبْ وَإِلَى رَبِّكَ فَارْغَب. Wa ila, this lam we long due to alif madda. Rabbika, ra we read in heavy sound. Farghab, fa we connect with the ra directly, and ra we read in heavy sound now, because ra has the sukoon and there is fatha on the before letter. That's why far. And ghain also we read in heavy sound. On the ba we make qalqala, which is strong qalqala, as qalqala letter is coming in the end of the word. So we say wa ila rabbika farghab. Now I read this complete surah, so listen carefully and try yourself. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alam nashrah laka sadrak wa wada'na 'anka wizrak alladhi anqadha dhahrak wa rafa'na laka dhikrak. فَإِنَّ مَعَ الْعُسْرِ يُسْرًا إِنَّ مَعَ الْعُسْرِ يُسْرًا فَإِذَا فَرَغْتَ فَانصَبْ وَإِلَى رَبِّكَ فَارْغَب. So I hope you understand this surah. If you have any kind of question regarding this surah, please leave a message under this video. And if you like this video, so click on the like button and share with your friends. Have a nice time. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.